And just like that, all that smoked food is smoking ready to eat. I mean, it's smoking. Check it out, boys and girls. The smoked ribs, the smoked sausages, the smoked mushrooms, the smoked turnips, smoked corn on the cob, the smoked okra. Oh my goodness. Think about it. None of this happened if it wasn't for a little bit of this and a little bit of that. All-purpose seasoning. You gotta get you some. And I'm telling you now, he's got a little brother too. Just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Oh, he's just his baby brother. Let me give you a little bit of this turnip. You want some ribs, boys and girls? Oh, here's some ribs. Oh, God. You want some corn on the cob, boys and girls? Here. Do you want some smoked okra too? Oh, my goodness. What about the smoked sausage? You weren't going to leave that out, are you? Oh, my goodness. What can I say?